a shot of Duck AJ with so let's make sure we get these. The corridors, flatline, and okay with adequate.
Seems to be enjoying it.
Let's film the whole thing or stop?
Go ahead and can you follow him?
No, I don't even know what.
He's in that blue one on the far side, coming around.
Too far. It's
right
too
there.
Woo!
He's just kind of looking around, looking out. He's a trooper, my goodness. He's more daring than I ever was at that age.
Oh yeah, it's because he doesn't know fear yet, you know?
Yeah.
He doesn't know what to fear.
He's holding on like a champ.
That's good.
Good boy, Dylan. Good boy, Dylan.